I'ma make it burn. I'ma make it burn. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Octavian_392, and I want to let you guys know about a giveaway. If you can't tell, it's a giveaway from Super Clean. And before we start, I'd like to thank Super Clean for partnering with me on this giveaway for these two great products. If you don't recognize these two products, just go check out my last Super Clean video. I showed you guys how this one worked. And I showed you guys how this one works. So, now that you've seen those videos on how these products work, you might want to know, how do you enter this giveaway? Well, you enter this giveaway by commenting below Super Clean, subscribing to the channel, and liking my last Instagram post. So do those two things and you're entered to win these two awesome products. Alright guys, so before we leave, I'd like to give a special shout out to Ship Scat Pack. He left a comment on my last Super Clean video saying I know my products. And that means a lot to me because I try a lot of car care products out on my car in hopes that you guys see something that you would like to use on your car. So I'd like to thank everyone else that leaves comments on my videos as well. And I really appreciate that. So good luck to everyone that enters the free giveaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, here's some more videos you can check out. Before you do that though, hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so this way you're notified when we post out awesome new content. Go Jags!